Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I went out and bought a Mini T 2.0. This was part of my Christmas present that I got. So I got to go pick out a couple cars, and I picked out one of these because I had enough money to buy one of these. Yeah, so I got it at JJ Customs also because I had a coupon there, or not a coupon, but a gift card for there. So, so we're gonna do a quick unboxing of this, and I also picked up, ta-da, a little brushless motor for it. It's a Hobbywing, supposed to fit in there just perfect. So let's get to it. Excuse me. Hasn't been opened yet. Been wanting one of these for a little while. As you can see, the box. I never did show you the box art, but you guys can see how the car is sitting in there. Full ball bearings. Got the BK bar tires with dish wheels. Fully assembled and ready to go. Comes with a battery, 2S, 650 milliamp, 20C. I already have a 3S battery that we will be using. Once I'm gonna do a couple runs on this already. And it even comes with the batteries for the charger. That's cool. Fine plug, tire wrench. And that's the whole manual, probably most likely. Let's cut this down. These are stuff you can get from there: dynamite motors, transmitter, Spectrum stuff. It's all Losi, you know, the tires, all the hop-ups, aluminum parts, which I already have. I'm going to show you that too. Well, just a sneak peek because I don't have prices on it yet, but from different carrier, so you don't have to pay the Losi prices. Cool little controller. It's got your throttle up and down, steering on off, and I think it's got a channel. Extra channel there. I can't see, guys. There's your steering trim, throttle trim, reverse, channel 3. And, I think this is the one where you push up and slides back. Yeah, okay. And your batteries go in here. Kind of cool. So then you put your 4 batteries in there. And this slides right back on there. Bam. You can take it apart and store it that way too. So like if you're traveling, fit it in a tighter spot. And here's the little car though, guys. That's what I wanted to see. I got rid of all my WL toys. Some of you guys know that. I sold them all on swap meet. These are the 3 colors that it comes with right here. You got like a blue. This is like a grayish color, and then the reddish orange right here. So look at that thing. Thing's awesome. The suspension on this thing is tight, man. So I am gonna run it on a brush before I put that in there, just to see. I'll throw my little GPS in here to see what we get. And we'll do the whole series. I got all sorts of parts to put on it. Hop-ups, which I'll show you in a minute. That's a nice body. They're pretty solid too, pretty thick. Should last a beating. Man, those are tiny. Those are what? EC 2s? I probably switch them all to XT60s. I think that's what I have. I was gonna do EC3s, but man, those are even big compared to those. Ooh, I don't think I have anything that small, so I might get some of those. We'll have to see what I do there. But that's pretty nice. Got the little servo down here. You can see the batteries in there already. I think you pull these two pins right here. It pops this up, and you can get your battery out somehow. There you go. It's a pretty good sized battery. Yeah, my 3S should fit in there perfectly. Is what I'm hoping. Should be just enough to a little bit of room. Your servo wire, which is a three wire servo, so you can put a little micro in there. If this one's bad, you can try to find another one. This little 280 47 turn motor is what it looks like. 47T right there. Brushed. So it should get up and go pretty good. Feels like it's got a little bit of resistance, so nice ball bearings in there. Not too much play in the front, so yeah, nice. All right, so we are just gonna aluminum this thing up, guys. I'm gonna, like I said, I am gonna go take it for a little run here and there. Go test it out. Right now it's raining a little bit, so we're not gonna do that before I put this in. But let's open this up, because I'm very curious on this too. I got all this stuff at JJ Customs. Like I said in the beginning, my wife and family got me a gift card from there. So look at that little tiny baby motor. I was told this thing is gonna wake this thing up too. It works perfect in there. Look how small that is compared to this one. It looks so much smaller. I don't know if you guys can tell. The camera might not do it justice. But yeah, it looks so much smaller. 5200 kV motor. It's gonna be perfect. Comes with a card, memory card. It comes with, we'll be cutting those off. That's why I said we're probably gonna switch completely and go to EC3s or XT60s. See, we got a little resistor on there already. On-off switch. It's a Hobbywing ESC. That's pretty cool. It's got all the stickers. Comes with the tape, shrink tube, a couple zip ties. So cool. That's a little. I was told this will work good by a couple people, by Hugo and a couple people. Sean at JJ Customs, or RJ. So, and I think a couple other guys have it on their cars already. So zip it right along. So let's just put that back in there like that. We'll get to that. We'll do an install because what are we at? Almost 10 minutes. I want to just show you. This is a quick sneak peek on this. rchopups is going to have all the aluminum for this car. I have it all. I'm going to do a video on it by itself because I don't have prices yet. So we got to wait for the prices to come up. It does come with a charger too. So you guys, this car is ready to go. It comes with all the batteries and everything. But yeah, this is the transmission case. I got the cover, the front and rear A-arms, the shock towers, The steering, all the steering in here, I think it is. This piece right here for the steering. I got all sorts of pieces for it, guys. So we're going to do quite a few videos on this thing of RC hop-ups. I'm going to do a video just on the stuff that I have. The only thing I don't have are shocks, but these shocks are plush. And look how these come up. No springing. Bam. So I'm not worried about the shocks. These things are nice. The only thing is they do touch there, so maybe with the thickness of the aluminum ones, we'll push these back just a hair so they don't rub on the tie rods. Just a little tiny tink, tink. Okay, there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you can see all the new parts and pieces that I'm going to be putting on this thing.